De trás daquele monte, de lá dá até pra ver. Um dia indo embora, dá até pra voltar. Olhando para o céu e ver ele girar. Vendo nossas vidas, dá também pra ver os nossos sentimentos. Valeu, fiquem.
Today I came to a place called Canoa Quebrada. It's a beautiful beach by Atlantic. It's sunny and hot, but it's a nice place. Last night I slept here. I was cycling. I was caught in the rain, heavy rain. I came to a garage next door to protect myself, and then the family told me, and the rain didn't stop and it was getting dark. The family told me at the last that you shouldn't go and you have to stay here. And it was great having a roof and a safe place. Later I will tell you the story about cousin, his cousin. I was standing here inside the garage for half an hour, and then the rain continued, and the guy asked me, "Okay, just come sit inside in their terrace. They have a very nice terrace in their house." So we sat there. We had a little chat. They offered me coffee, and then rain stopped. I moved. I had only 25 minutes daylight, so I had to get somewhere. And I was thinking, oh my God, here is a safe place. I already know these people, and we are communicating, and it's the best place for me to stop, to stay overnight. But I have a law in my journey that I don't return. And I said, hey Mohammed, if you haven't asked, so you just go, because I already left the house. When I get to the road, when I was in the road, the guy followed me with a motorbike, and he said that come back and stay overnight here, and rain is there will be more rain. So I was super happy. I was really happy. I returned. I stayed there, and I knew that's the reason he came to follow me. It was a command from his grandmother. So I stayed here last night, and this is the family. This is the family. Eduardo. Eduardo también. Eduarda. Cristiani. Manel. And the grandmother, who actually and grandmother was very important, because she was so kind, and she asked him to follow me and to take me back, to bring me back to the house. So we're waiting for her to show up, and so here is a part of life, another day of life, and is the magic of being on the road. It's beautiful.
Vai aparecer agora.
E ela, a Fátima, a dona da casa. A dona da casa. A dona da casa.
And she's the king of the house.
Fátima.
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 Mi hermana Fátima.
A sua irmã Fátima.
Sí. And this is grandmother. Obrigado.
De nada. Quando quiser vir, já sabe onde é a casa.
Muchas gracias. So let's take some pictures and then have a coffee and go. Obrigado. Ciao, ciao. And now I have to go back to the road and push my bike to the asphalt, and then from there I cycled toward the coast. I arrived here and Claude is waiting for me the other side of the river. I have to cross the river with this boat, and while I was waiting here, these guys invited me to join them and have a chat with them. Like all Brazilian, they're drinking and they're having fun and they're so cool.
Lula ladrão! Lula ladrão!
They're not fan of Lula. They're president.
Boa, tamo junto! Irã, abraço!
It's so cool that
Tá viu? Vem aqui conhecer a nossa cachaça!
cachaça. So good to experience the real life in every country, and those people are just representing the real life. And I think they have a boat. We're gonna cross the river by their boat.
A lancha lá! A lanchona!
The bicycle is there, waiting for them to finish drinking. The other side of the river. These guys, they have this boat and they asked me to join them to go with them to the other side of the river with this boat, which is quite fun.
Tá de boa, tá de boa.
I should
É, a gente vai pro outro lado.
take it by.
Ela tá de boa, ela. É meu colete aí? Ah, eu quero logo o colete.
It's quite quite interesting because the boat is just shaking and
Muita doideira, Brasil.
see.
Brasileiro.
Vai, filho. Pode subir?
Não, o L.
Vai, velho.
Segura mais aí.
Ah, sim, sim.
Segura aí, segura.
Segura.
Vai ligar o motor aqui, vai.
Vai.
Aí, você puxa o ferro. Só quando ele ligar o motor. Só quando ele ligar o motor, né?
Devagarzinho. Coleta ele.
We go with this one like this.
Não, só quando ele ligar o motor, cara.
Suba. It's quite fun to have a bike. Take my bike like this.
Devagarzinho. Ó.
Oh, it's so cool. It's a really nice experience.
Ah, segura a bike.
Ei, meu pai.
Mostra o pai, vem, pai.
Ah,
tá.
really cool. I love it.
Cadê o cajal?
O cajado tá com o Max. Só pra ele encostar lá.
Pra não ficar pesado.
Ei, bota ele pro meio. Não, o motorista se garanta aí. O motorista aí é. Dentro da água,
Vai.
dentro da água.
Ei, toma no mão.
Pegou o macete, hein? Pegou o macete.
Olha, esse anda acelerado. Ele...
É, ele roda, é pesado demais.
Tá
Mas
pesado,
não sabe
roda.
não. Ensine não, pai. Ela tá velho, não aprende. Eita, tem dia no carro, ei. Se for chamar Claude, diga logo a ele, não é pra pegar do meus peitos não, viu? Claude pega do meus peitos direto.